Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my previous video, you see I made some Korean rice ball with ham the other day. I made too much food, so I'm just gonna salvage the rice ball to make onigiri. Please check out the description box for more details about the ingredients. My rice was already 2 days old in the fridge, so I'm gonna start with heating it up. Here's my little trick. Cover your rice with wet paper towel, then heat it up in microwave for 2 minutes. It helps the rice won't be dried out. Next, in a mixing bowl, mix 1 can of tuna with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then mix everything together. This will be the filling of your onigiri. Break up your rice balls into a small bowl. If your rice is still too dry, add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. As you can see, I don't have the mold to make onigiri. I used a square container from IKEA to make this shape. It's far from perfect, but it does the trick. Lastly, cut the seaweed sheets into a small rectangle and stick it to the bottom of the onigiri. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please check out other videos on my channel if you're interested. I'll see you guys next time.